This book talks about lowball offers when it comes to seeing a property multiple times. And they talk about what happens if you've seen a property and you're about to place an offer, but you've seen the property so many times, one, two, three, four, five showings, and the seller won't like it if you submit a lowball offer. First of all, there's really no such thing as a lowball offer. If you're making an offer, you're still making an offer of, several $100,000 on most properties. I don't consider that a lowball offer. Also, what if the seller is overpriced? If the seller's overpriced, who's responsible? Is it your responsibility to give them an offer that they believe is sensible? I don't believe that. The offer should align with what you believe the home is worth, right? Sure, we're going to give you a market analysis. That market analysis is going to be tied to what the past performance of other properties that are similar to this home. But what is a lowball offer? If you believe that the property, if you looked at a $500,000 townhouse and you believe it's worth $450,000, that's the offer to you. I mean, at the end of the day, you have to be comfortable with the payment. You have to be comfortable with the price that you pay. Don't get your head wrapped around this concept of lowball offer. I think that this is one of those ways that our industry pressures buyers to feel like they should please the seller or to make the seller feel comfortable about what they're doing. I think that this is nonsense. It's unlikely that the seller and you are going to get together for dinner after this transaction is over. You all are not going to be friends. Like, that's not how this works. This is just a transaction. Do what you believe it makes sense for you when it's time for you to purchase your property.